How to delete all posts on Facebook at once. Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can delete your all posts on Facebook at once. So before get started, if you are new here, please consider to subscribe my channel and like the video. So first open your Facebook app and then go to your profile on the top left corner or top right corner. Now on the right side here you will see three dot icon. Just click on that. Now click on activity log. Now click on public post. Now on the top left here you can see all option. Just click on that. Now on the bottom here you will see two options. One is for archive and another one is for trash. If you want to make all post archive, you can click on archive. If you want to delete all posts, just click on trash. After that click on move to trash and there you go. So that's how you can delete all posts on Facebook at once. Hope that this video helped you. Thanks for watching.